Are you tired of your iPhone suddenly telling you no? Whether you're blocked from visiting certain websites, downloading apps, or changing your settings, those pesky parental controls can be a massive headache. But don't worry, in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn them off. Make sure you stick around till the very end because I'll show you a clever way to tweak these settings so you don't have to turn everything off just to get what you want. Let's dive right in. Step 1, grab your iPhone and open the settings app. Scroll down just a bit until you see the purple hourglass icon for screen time. Tap on that. Once you're in the screen time menu, scroll down and look for content and privacy restrictions. Tap to open it. Here's where all those limits live. To nuke them all at once, simply tap that master toggle switch at the very top of the screen to turn it off. Now here's the catch. If someone else set this up, like a parent, your phone will prompt you for a screen time passcode. Important note, this is usually completely different from the passcode you use to unlock your phone. If it asks for one, you need to enter it, or politely ask whoever set it up to type it in for you. If you're lucky and there's no passcode set, the toggle will just instantly switch off. But wait, what if you don't want to turn everything off and you just want to fix one annoying restriction? As promised, here's how you can customize your limits. Leave that master switch at the top turned on and tap into the individual categories below. You can go through and tweak these one by one to get exactly the access you need without completely disabling the feature. Boom, freedom restored. If this quick guide helped you regain control of your iPhone today, please drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.